Difference BW database and a spreadsheet. Databases and spreadsheets are both convenient ways to store information. The primary differences between the two are A. How the data is stored and manipulated. B. Who can access the data. C. How much data can be stored. Spreadsheets were originally designed for one user, and their characteristics reflect that. They're great for a single user or small number of users who don't need to do a lot of incredibly complicated data manipulation. Databases, on the other hand, are designed to hold much larger collections of organized information, massive amounts, sometimes. Databases allow multiple users at the same time to quickly and securely access and query the data using highly complex logic and language.